Your child has a bad cough, dry cough, cough with phlegm, cold, runny nose, sore throat. Prepare this natural syrup, 100% natural, that will get rid of that horrible cough. His tummy already hurts from coughing, his chest is tight, get ready for it. We are going to cut an orange in half. We are going to put it on a plate and put it in the microwave or on the stove for 2 minutes. We are going to let it heat up very well and it will release all the juice. Since we left it for 2 minutes, we're going to come and take it out. We are going to squeeze all the orange with what you have. You can let it cool a little. If you don't have